Hello guys, welcome to the trading channel. I hope you try to learn something new today. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Swiss franc. In this pair we will do scalping trade as well as news trading, because we are getting good opportunities of buying here by which we can easily grow the account. I have $2,000 in this account which we will grow through scalp trade and see how much we can grow our account. I apply trade first. Here I am increasing the lot size. I am taking 1.50 lots here according to the account, for which we will apply 2 trades. We will follow proper risk management here. Guys, our $87 loss is still running, which we will try to convert into profit with proper psychology. If you maintain your psychology so you can turn loss into profit, because you ain't gonna run out of trade before you hit the stop loss and the target, by which the market will hit your target if your technical analysis is correct. Come on guys, now let's analyze so that it will be easy for you to understand what kind of patterns are formed in the market, so that you can also take trade on such pattern here. The market trend is going downtrend for the last few hours, but still I tried to buy and trade apply here, but the market remained in consolidation zone for 2 to 3 hours, due to which the opportunity of buying was created here, and we have also placed a trade in the same direction, the direction the market will go now. First we will create a downtrend channel here, by which we will get the lower high lower low points of the market. For this we will take the trend line and place it above the downtrend, where is the lower high point. Match all the lower high points exactly so that we can connect all the points perfectly. This trend line should be our correct one, as further analysis will be on the trend line. Now we will take another trend line and place it on the lower low of the downtrend with the same angle. Here also we will connect all the lower low dots properly. This will make our trend channel look perfect. With this our analysis will also go in the right direction. Now you can clearly see the downtrend of the market. Always remember that the market repeats its history every time. The market will take back resistance at the same place where it took support earlier. The market forms such patterns again and again, due to which we got a good opportunity to trade. The market has given a breakout on the upper trend line, due to which we got a good buying opportunity here. Here we can get a good scalping trade to hit the target successfully. That's why we started buying in trade place. Now let's see what will happen in the market. Now we have to draw support resistance level, from which it will be known at what level the market can reverse in future, so that we will have our second plan ready in advance. With this we can also manage our trade well. For this we will use rectangle tool, because it is the best tool to cover all the support resistance points. We have drawn the rectangle tool at this level, because the market first took support here, went up and created a support point here. Here also the market has taken 4 times support, and we see a reversal candle, making it act as a strong support. Later the market broke this strong support and made it resistance, due to which we are seeing double resistance here. Here also the market has taken double resistance and come down. That's why this level is also acting as a strong resistance. Here also the market has taken double resistance and the market has gone down. At this point the market is trying to break the resistance and take support, because the market will now change its trend. So high probability chance market will go up, because the market has broken the trend line along with the strong support resistance level. That's why there is more chance that the market will go up and we will get good profit. Guys, all our analysis is complete. Now we have to watch the market. How long do we achieve our goals? We have corrected the analysis. Further we will see how the market reacts, so that we can convert our trade into profit. Here we have taken a trade in the right direction, which has more chances to go up. Here you can clearly see that the market has retested the trend line and started going up, so that we can capture good move. Finally guys, the market is starting to go up. We have come straight from loss to profit. This candle is made of manufacturing PMI news, which is low volume news, where there will not be much pips gain. That's why we have taken scalping trade along with news trade, which can give us good profit. Let's see how long we can hold this. I have already drawn all these levels on TradingView, where I know properly where is my entry point and exit point, with which I am managing the trade easily. You can also analyze the market in advance. Trade if the market reacts according to your setup. Discard the pair if the market moves against your setup, then trade another pair. Now let me put my stop loss and target, so that you will understand the entry and exit point very well. Here my stop loss will be placed below the strong support resistance level and below the trend line, which is 15 pips below our trade. And target point will be 30 pips above, where market will make new higher high. For now, here my target point is also small and stop loss is also small, because this is our scalp trade. Guys, we are running in profit, which is around $275. We will grow it more till our target point. Now I put stop loss and target point. Now all our work is complete. Now we just have to wait. May the market achieve our goal quickly. We have opened the smallest time frame for trading here. That's why we can see more volatility in the market. It takes a lot of patience, because anything can happen in the market. No one knows what will happen next in the market. We can only maintain proper risk management and proper psychology. I am speeding up the video 100x so that you can see live how the market moves, which will make it easier for you to learn the market patterns. With this you will also see how to manage your psychology. Meet the guys after hitting the target or stop loss. Till then, enjoy the video.
Listen, little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Listen, little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on to feeling. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Few late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on to feeling. It's all that I needed.
Well done guys, our target is going to be hit. It took us 3 hours and 30 minutes to achieve this target, for which we kept the recording on. There have also been many ups and downs in the market. Our target is achieved. The market went up, forming a proper price action as we expected, where we are seeing multiple support resistance points. The market has just broken the resistance above again and is moving higher, but we don't have to be greedy anymore. Our goal has been achieved. Now I will close the trade, then I will draw another pattern and tell you which the market is respecting. We placed 2 trades, one of which hit the target of the trade. Now our profit of this trade is running around $503. That is the result of our patience. Let me close it now. This market has rewarded us. Guys, I deposited $2,000 in this account, which has been done only by scalping trade for $2,979. The return of this account was generated around 50%. This was our analysis right, due to which we were able to reach the target. We captured amazing market moves on small time frame. The market reacted according to our setup, where we draw strong support resistance level. The market took support again at the same place and went up with a strong move. Now let me remove this arrow line, because here we will create another setup. You can learn a lot from here. First we will take the trend line, we'll place it on the higher low point of the uptrend. The market is going up. By making this trend line a support, we'll take the trend line again and place it on the higher high of the current uptrend. It is acting as resistance in the market here. Our second trend channel is also working perfect. Market is going up as it come down here. Our gun strategy is also working properly. You will easily find such patterns in the market where you can trade. Here all our levels are working perfect. You can also draw the level by doing such analysis. Always focus on learning. Where there is learning, earning will come automatically. You can learn trading on YouTube from any channel where you feel comfortable. If you want to learn more strategy from me, then you can check my channel playlist. I hope you got to learn a lot today. If you like the video, then like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.